You talk a lot about the inner water in our body. We have to drink enough water, but we also have to be exposed to light in order to enhance that very precious water that is like a gel in our bodies. How can we optimize that really important internal water that we have?
Water inside of the cells is much more like jello. And Jerry Pollack is the researcher who has really brought water to the forefront and found out that this water is structured in a unique way that gives the water inside of our cells a negative charge. It's exclusion zone or EZ water. So this gelled water is literally a fourth state of water, and he has a book called The Fourth Phase of Water that holds a charge. Every science textbook that I've ever read, this is not controversial, whether it's mainstream or more along the Eastern philosophy. The body needs adequate energy, adequate voltage, adequate charge in order to animate it, right? Sometimes we call it life force, sometimes we may call it voltage, but that water was ignored as a source of voltage. The water was ignored as a source of charge for forever until Jerry's work really started to show that, wait a second, if water makes up the vast majority of my cells, and if this water alone, due to how it kind of rearranges its H's and its O's, can hold a negative charge, then why can't the water alone be responsible for healthy cellular voltage? And it turns out that's the case. What we now know is that the infrared wavelength range of sunlight is what helps us maintain this water charge. He showed in a lab that this water can build to a certain point, and then when you add infrared, you literally make it grow.